It is time for spring cleaning on the farm. My chickens are busy cleaning or making a mess. They have to get cleaned out too. My rooster ended up losing his entire comb over winter because of frostbite. And I did have a heat light out there for him, but he chose to not sit near it instead of sitting on the other side of the perch. But what can you do? Their cage needs to be cleaned out, the dogs need to be cleaned out. But the ground is perfectly dry and it's not raining yet. So we are going to be cleaning out the horse stall. It needs it badly. So, shoot, I better go get the tractor and get that turned on because we got to get the bucket put on too. Let's get rocking. I'm on a heavy time crunch. I have a horse show to get ready for. Okay, it's not a show. It is a training weekend, okay? And I'm taking my crazy horse, not crazy, but crazy, Moissanite down to the show in the trailer. But the truck is not ready and the trailer is not ready. And the show is in just over 30 days. And my horse is not ready. He's never rode in a trailer. He's never been off the farm. Well, he has. And he did great, but I don't know. It gives me heart palpitations thinking about it. Whew. Practice my breathing. Okay, so out of my head, now I'm worrying about that today. We're gonna clean out the horse stall and then we will focus on what to do after that. Ready? Yeah, that took me a while. I don't know why. It took forever to get that dumb thing on. Hopefully the horse doesn't come over here. Go, says I. Good. Wait, you gotta stay there. Oh shoot, here comes the horse. Time to go. Ow. Ugh. Never mind, I think he's distracted. Hopefully. Oh boy. Oh wait. Hopefully they're not gonna come in here. Or come out. Woo! Here comes the horse to say hi. Okay. We got this. We got this. Yeah. As long as the horse doesn't decide to eat the tractor. It's been known to happen. Hey, before they run out. Oh, dang it. Look at him. He's like, what kind of trouble can I cause here? I'm like, well, I'm not sure what to think about this thing. What, you're gonna go clean out my stall? I don't think so. I'm gonna go inside that right now. What's up, dude? Aw, is the tractor gonna clean out your stall? Nah, good boy. I'm gonna give you a nice clean bed. Yes? Yes? You're a good boy. Good boy. Mom's gonna get busy. Okay? Gonna go eat some grass? Good boy. New toys. New toys. I'm just gonna stick my head in here and see what happens. A little bit smarter on that end. I wonder what happens if I bite this tire. I wonder what happens if I bite the camera. Well, this is gonna be interesting. It's like, alright, lady, what are you doing in that thing? Alright. much easier. At least the ground's not frozen this time. Shoot, I hope I can get in there. A bobcat would be so much nicer to have. I'll have a little bit more space. What are you thinking he's gonna do? Jump in here? Yep. Okay, nice and easy. Don't destroy the shelter. Lower it down. Oh shoot, better flip it down too. I am not very good at this. Practice, 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 right? Alright. I don't know how close I'm getting to that wall. To anything. Okay. I'd say that's about right. Maybe. What you doing, dude? I can't back up if you're behind me. Yeah. Come on, guys. Seriously. Right here. Oh. Alright. It doesn't really look like it grabbed anything. It's always hard to tell if I have enough downward pressure. Doesn't look like I did. See, I didn't really move anything. So we're gonna go forward and try it again. Perfect. I think we got some. There. Yeah, that looks better. Pull it out to here. Lift it up. He's like, oh gosh, I didn't know that was gonna happen. Oh, I don't think you want to watch like 20 minutes of me talking to myself again. Whew, it's a little high. Better lower you down. Photo magic here, ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, it's a lot better. I gotta go through and finish shoveling it out by hand and then scoop it out some more and then add it to my pile of poop over there. And someone's getting curious. She says, what are you doing? I wanna ride. Got the pallet forks back on. It only took 3 tries. Alright, I'll have to get more stuff done. You hear that? Those are the peepers, as we call them here in Michigan. I think it's some sort of tree frog. Don't know. But little teeny tiny things though. Cute as a button. And this is breeding season. Springtime. This is perfect weather. There's no breeze. It's actually warmer now than it was before when I was cleaning out the horse stall. Now I have to clean out the chicken coop, which has not been cleaned out since winter time. Simply because it was a frozen brick. I was even out here and I tried to clean it out. It is a mess. Yeah. So this is all hay that they get in here for bedding. I know a lot of you guys use different things for bedding. I use hay. There's 2 main reasons I use hay to bed all of my animals. One, it's extremely absorbent. It will absorb liquid so you don't have like nastiness growing on the bottom floor of whatever you're bedding. The second thing is, it's the same price as straw out here. So, you know, there's not much benefit in using straw. Third reason, it's a little more fibrous. So it retains its position of where you put it a little bit more. It doesn't get kicked off to the edges quite so fast. Third reason, it lasts longer than straw. I've used straw with my dogs and it's gone in like a week. It breaks down. Hay will last a lot longer. Third reason, I have hay. So technically, it's free. So with that said, the chickens are thinking they're gonna get dinner right now because it is kind of dinner time, but I need to clean them out. It's getting late. So let's go. we go. Oh, this is not gonna be fun. But you gotta do it. Okay. Alright, this is gonna take a long time, so let's get it cleaned up a little bit faster. 3, 2, 1. Hey, there it is. Whew. Yeah, there's still a little bit back there. That's mostly loose hay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more in here. I didn't bring a full bale with me, so I'm gonna put the partial bale that I have back here. You can see how wet this area is, and the culprit is that guy right there. Whew, I'm all sweaty now. It is sticky outside. It feels like a summer night. Anyhow, so this water dish is new. The green part is actually heated, and then the green part actually broke like within a week of having it. Look at that. It was like just a real cheap plastic. I was trying to bust the ice up and it punched right through it. Yeah, so I got this nifty metal dog dish and fits right in. And for the most part, it pretty much stays thawed. The problem is the chickens thought it was a spa, so they like to run through it. And of course, every time they run through it, they kick water everywhere. So this whole area was always wet. So that's why the hay is in such bad disarray now. And that's why it froze so hard too. Because like I said, I've had this chicken coop for 4 years now. Never had it this bad before. And I've waited a long time to change litter, but this was just like caked from that water dish. So I'm gonna have to think of something different for next year. So I know, I would like, it would be really nice to be able to compost this stuff and then get a fertilizer manure spreader and then spread it on the fields, but oh my gosh, there's a mosquito. Look at mosquitoes, evil creatures. Oh my gosh, my horses are gonna be going nuts tonight. All right, next thing. I think they like the hay. You ready? Ready? Go get it. He loves balls. Alright, so this was cleaned out a while ago, but because most of it was still frozen, I couldn't get all of it, even with a shovel. So it's definitely thawed. I want to clean this out before the rain comes, if the rain comes. And yeah, I definitely could stand some more pea gravel. I do like the pea gravel when it's fresh, but you have to replenish it like every year. And you can see it's just getting packed in. There's a certain way to do pea gravel if you're going to use it as a flooring for your kennel yard. Pea gravel is better than cement because it doesn't rip up their paws, it doesn't cause joint damage, and it's easy to scoop. Downside is it's probably not as sterile as cement, but we got Mia cleaned out, so let's clean out Gator. Looks a lot better in there. At least as good as it can be, considering. Whew. Hope you guys enjoyed the vigorous cleaning today. I didn't get everything clean that I needed to. Maybe I'll still have some time, I don't know. But that'll be another video. Take care, guys. See ya. The rooster hat. I can't see you over here, can I?